y'all, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. Throwing everything on the screen. Comment, like, subscribe, share, hit that bell so you're notified every single time I post a video. We're jumping straight into it. I've said this already in the previous video, but I'll repeat it here. I've seen plenty of renter-friendly videos that show you how to transform a countertop, but a lot of these videos typically include taking contact paper and sticking it directly onto the surface. My landlord does not play when it comes to any kind of sticky residue, adhesive, so I had to get a little creative, and this is what you're about to see. I used this whole roll. There's like a little bit left, but at this point, this is good enough. I left gaps by the stove and the edge of the sink so that the contact paper will kind of have an edge to stick to. Sides are undone, but that'll be fine. And my microwave will cover this whole area anyway, so. So it's been a few hours. I put these on here so that this could kind of flatten out, because I didn't want this thing like rolling back on me when I was trying to lay it flat out here. I also did this because once you put this down, that's it. You put it down, you can't like stick it on this paper and peel it back up, and like, no, there's none of that. So if I make, basically I'm going to apply this in small sections. I'm going to apply this big piece first, because this is the main part of the cabinet. This is, or the countertop. This is the part that you see. Then the second big square will be this. And then maybe I'll figure out the little corners in the top half, but I don't know. This part, I just wanted to make sure this was one big flat piece. I didn't want this part to look all choppy and stuff. So that's why I had this laying out flat. So I think it's good to go. I'm gonna cut it and try to put it down and hope it works. So I'm gonna take the edge of the contact paper and kind of place it maybe like a ½ an inch over the edge of the sink, or maybe I'll say like a ½ an inch, just so that I can use my knife to cut a crisp edge. And I also want to start forward like this so that it's just as smooth, because realistically, if there's a crease back there, it won't matter. People aren't going to be looking back there, but people will notice the front. I'm going to cut a slit right here so this can bend. And this part, like, y'all, when I tell you have to calculate this right, you only get one try. I'm gonna try it. I don't know if this is the best method, but I'm gonna start with the edges here. So far, this is the only piece that's stuck. So I'm gonna just keep my hand here. I don't think I'm doing this right. There we go. All right. Okay, I'm gonna work my way this way. This whole piece up here is stuck. Okay. Okay, maybe having it fold while I pull was a dumb idea, but whatever. I guess the best course of action here, I'm just gonna keep my hand like under it while I pull and smooth. Okay. Oh, it's working. Okay, so I'm sliding while I pull the sticky paper out from under it. Although it keeps trying to rip, but it's working. It's working. Now, obviously, because the paper's underneath, it's smooth, but like you're gonna feel the air. Or I don't know. It's flat, but this isn't a permanent solution. This isn't something you would do in a house, or at least not a house you own. I feel like this is strictly for apartments. The last time I did this, which was last year, I did the same method. It looked just as good. I left it for like over a year before I took it out. So this is about to last me for another year and some change. Or two, honestly. The only reason why I took off the other one was because I was in the mood for a change. But it would have lasted longer if I left it for longer. I've been pulling the paper straight as I slide this thingy. Now what I'm gonna start doing is pulling the paper this way, because I don't really want this part to stick yet. So yeah, I'm gonna start pulling the paper this way. And the paper under here is still on. Oh, actually that's even more helpful. So it's actually been ripping here. So there's still paper under here. Perfect. Okay. I think I got a system going. So again, I'm putting some duct tape to hold it up. But so far, honestly, that's not bad. I'll fill this little corner in after. Not bad. It's got a little shine to it. Not bad. It's a nice crisp edge. Here's the final product. This corner, y'all, my microwave is big enough to cover this whole thing. And then I have a drying mat that covers that whole part. So I didn't feel like wasting my time even covering all that. You got the microwave, drying rack. You're not gonna see that it's not finished, so. Yep,